In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, it is crucial for engineers to not only observe change but to actively shape it. Our responsibility lies in leading the change, developing innovative solutions to address the complex challenges of the modern world, and breaking down the traditional silos of engineering disciplines to redefine the future of industries like automotive. With this vision in mind, BITS Pilani's Work Integrated Learning Division designed the M.Tech Automotive Electronics program to transform you into a technology leader. This program not only equips you with the latest advancements, but also empowers you to creatively and strategically apply them, driving progress and innovation within your ecosystem. I am glad that you raised this important consideration in the mind of every student desirous of enrolling in this program. We all recognize that a comfort zone rarely permits growth. You need to have the courage to believe that you are capable of significant achievements. The classes are for the large part scheduled on weekends and delivered online. The live lectures are recorded and available anytime to compensate for missed classes. We offer remote labs in many courses, utilizing our setups for steer-by-wire, brake-by-wire, transmission control, system identification, speed goat HIL testing, and so on. We have a hybrid panel trainer to demonstrate how a hybrid EV system works and for fault injection studies in diagnostics. Virtual labs are offered through various industry standard tools such as MATLAB and Simulink, COMSOL, ANSYS, AMISIM, Intrepid, Vector suite of tools, Altair Embed, Dorelco SimEV, and Electune. We use NVIDIA hardware for training models for autonomous driving and certain vehicle functions. The M.Tech program in Automotive Electronics has therefore been designed keeping in mind the needs of the OEMs and the ecosystem of suppliers and solution providers. Technology adoption has been rapidly taking place across multiple domains such as automotive networking, communications, cyber security, embedded controls, ADAS, and in the last year or so converging toward the software-defined vehicle, popularly known as the SDV. Advances in power electronics such as converters, inverters, chargers, and so on, diagnostics and monitoring systems, motor control, BMS or battery management systems, model-based design, and systems engineering have further propelled the pace of these changes. Functional safety and EMI/EMC considerations, standardization such as AutoSAR, applications of AI/ML have all contributed to rising demand for professionals in this area. The M.Tech program in Automotive Electronics is therefore designed for those working as mechanical engineers, automobile engineers, electronics, communications and computer science professionals holding bachelor's degrees in these disciplines. Recent trends among the OEMs toward electrification and technology adoption have ignited the interest of both suppliers and solution providers alike. The M.Tech program in Automotive Electronics covers a comprehensive range of topics from these areas through its carefully designed courses. Thank you for your interest and attention, and I look forward to meeting you in your avatar as a student. See you in the classroom.